Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial, I'm going to teach you exactly how you can add a gallery to your pages and workspaces on Notion really quickly and without any technical skills needed. So drop a like and now let us get started. So as you can see, I'm inside my Notion workspace I created for demonstration purposes, and here below I added a gallery just for the sake of this tutorial. So guys, if you'd like to create a gallery yourself and fill it with content, databases and properties, like for example images or photos or videos, let me show you how to do that really quickly. Access your workspace here on Notion in the top left corner, and after that click on that plus icon next to your team space to add a new empty page, just like that. And that is going to add a new page to your workspace. So you may name it, like for example, let me name it Gallery 2, just like that. After that, left click on the text box below and type in the command /gallery, or simply type in GAL and you will see that suggestion below, gallery view. So select it. After that, you may, for example, use one of the suggested templates or simply add a new page and fill it with data and with property later. So click on this button here, new page. You may also, of course, customize your gallery here by clicking on these three dots here and go through its properties, filter, sorting options, and so on and so forth. So start by adding the first page to your gallery by clicking on new page here. And after that, this window will pop up for you. So what you want to do is add a property to your first gallery page here by clicking on add a property and select your property type below, like text or status, date, and so checkbox, and so on and so forth. So let me go with files and media to add a couple of images to that gallery. After that, name your properties. Let me leave it at files and media just for the sake of this tutorial. You may also duplicate that property or delete it. So let me leave it at that. And after that, you will be given the opportunity to fill your first property by clicking on empty here. And after that, decide whether you would like to upload files, in this case images or photos, or embed them. So let me upload them from my device. As you can see, the maximum size per file is 5 MB, so bear that in mind, as long as you working without a plus subscription here or subscription plan on Notion. So click on choose a file. After that, upload the image from your device. So let me go really quickly with these three. Let me upload that one first. Wait for the upload process to be finished. It may or may not take a moment depending on the file size. And after a brief moment, the image will be added to your gallery or to the first page of your gallery. You may add or continue adding files and images by repeating the same process. So let me add also this image here, wait for the upload, and so on and so forth. Let me add also a third one to our gallery page, and so on and so forth, guys. So as you can see, super simple. And now when I click off or close that page here, I will be given access to that gallery by left clicking on it, and you will see these 3 images or items uploaded to your gallery page here. And that's basically it, guys. That's how you do it in practice. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.